Hey there, explorers! Welcome back to Explore with Ahmad. Today we're talking about a mind-blowing fact that'll make you laugh and wonder at the same time. Did you know that 23,034 slaps can cook a chicken? Or, if you're a superhero, just one slap will do the trick. Let's dive into the science behind this absurd claim.
Did you know that 23,034 slaps can cook a chicken? Yeah, it sounds crazy, but let's break it down. Cooking a chicken requires energy, and slapping it, don't try this at home, folks, transfers energy through kinetic energy. But here's the thing, the velocity of your slap matters. To cook a chicken with just one slap, you'd need to reach a mind-boggling 1,665.65 meters per second. That's faster than a spacecraft re-entering Earth's atmosphere. So, what about those 23,034 slaps? Well, that's the equivalent energy of a chicken cooking in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about an hour. While we can't actually cook a chicken with slaps, sorry folks, this thought experiment shows just how amazing science and math can be. Hence, next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, remember, science is the real MVP.
So, while we can't actually cook a chicken with a slap, we can appreciate the creativity and humor behind this claim. Thanks for joining me on this fun science adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.